Hello children, good morning. Standard 6 Subject Science Chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric. ये हम Fiber to Fabric. Paheli and Bujo won the first prize in a science quiz competition held at school. They are very excited and decided to prize money to buy clothes and their parents. When they saw a large variety of clothes material, some clothes fabric were cotton and some were synthetic. He also woolen. There were silk sarees and well. Paheli and Bujo felt very excited to touch or feel this different fabric about a woolen muffler and cotton साड़ी. वो लोग को फर्स्ट प्राइज़ मिला था तो उनको ख़रीदी करने जानी थी. उन्होंने कपड़े ख़रीदे वूल के. वो एक्साइटेड हुए कॉटन फैब्रिक के कपड़े देख के. वो उनको एक्साइटमेंट हो गया है टच करके वो कपड़े को. अब वो जानने के लिए वो वेराइटी इन फैब्रिक्स आगे आइडेंटिफाई सम फैब्रिक्स. तो फर्स्ट है एक्टिविटी 1 वेराइटी ऑफ इन फैब्रिक्स. तो डू यू वंडर दैट दिस डिफरेंट फैब्रिक मेड ऑफ. व्हेन यू लुक एट द फैब्रिक इट सीम्स कंटिन्यूस पीस. नाउ लुक एट इट्स क्लोजली. व्हाट डू यू नोटिस. एक्टिविटी 2 है तुम्हारी बुक में. Select a piece cotton fabric you label in activity 1. Now try we find loose thread a yarn and it one edge it pull it out. Loose yarns and visible you can gently pull out with pin or a knit. We find that fabric is made of yarns and arranged together. What are these yarns made of? ये तुम्हारे बुक में पिक्चर दिया है वो आप देख सकते हो. अब 3.2 है फाइबर. तो एक्टिविटी 3 है टेक आउट yarn from a piece of cotton fabric. Place this piece of yarn on the table. Now press one end the yarn with your thumb. Scratch the other and along length with nail show. Do you find that this end the yarn split off into these standards? This makes difficult to pass the thread through the eye of the needle. The thin standards of thread that which we made of still thinner strand called fibers. Fibers are made of yarns and yarns further made of fibers. Where do these fibers come from? The fiber are some fabrics such as cotton, jute, silk and wool are obtained from plants and animals. किस में से मिलते हैं सिल्क कॉटन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स में से. These are called natural fibers. उसको क्या कहते हैं नेचुरल फाइबर्स. It is also obtained from the hare and rabbit, yak and camel. Silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. cocoon नाम का जो आता है उसमें से क्या मिलता है silkworm. फिर ये है याक कैमल्स के जो होते हैं हेयर उसमें से हम ऊन वूल प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. In the last 100 years fibers are also made from chemical substances which are not obtained from plant or animal source. These are called synthetic fiber. क्या बोलेंगे उसको synthetic fiber. Some example synthetic fiber are polyester, nylon and acrylic. ये synthetic fiber के example है. अब इसमें पहला है cotton. Have you cover made wigs for oil lamps? What do you use making these wigs? The cotton wool is used for filling materials, quality and pillows. Where does cotton wool come from? It is growth a field. Cotton plants are usually placed having black soil and warm climate. Can you some status of country where cotton is grown? The fruits of the cotton balls are soft, are about the size of lemon. After maturing, the balls burst open. The sheet covered with the cotton fiber can be seen. Have you ever seen the cotton field is ready to picking? From the ball, cotton is usually picked by hand. This process is called ginning of cotton. Ginning was traditional done by hand these days. मशीन आर ऑल्सो यूज गिनिंग. इस आजकल क्या हुआ है मशीन से सब कॉटन जो खेतों में होता है वो भी कॉटन ही एक होता है. उससे मशीन से पूरा हम उसके ऊपर प्रक्रिया करके पूरा अच्छा सा कॉटन हम बना सकते हैं। पहले सब ये हैंड से होता था, अब मशीन आ गया है उसका सब। अब जूट ये हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे। थैंक यू।